Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of applying for a business line of credit. It might seem a little daunting at first, but we'll break it down into manageable steps to make it easy for you to understand. First things first, before you even think about filling out an application, you need to assess your business needs. Really think about why you need this line of credit. Is it for working capital, inventory, or maybe to bridge a gap between invoices and payments? Knowing your specific needs will help you determine the right amount to apply for and the best type of line of credit for your situation. Next, it's time to check your credit score, both your personal and your business credit scores if you have one established. Lenders will definitely be looking at these. You can get your personal credit report from the major credit bureaus, and there are various services online that can help you check your business credit. If your scores aren't where you want them to be, spend some time improving them before you apply. Paying down debt and correcting any errors on your reports can make a big difference. Now, let's gather all the necessary documents. You'll typically need things like your business plan, financial statements including profit and loss statements and balance sheets, tax returns for both your business and yourself, bank statements, and legal documents like your articles of incorporation or operating agreement. Having all of this organized and ready to go will save you a lot of time and hassle during the application process. Once you have your documents in order, it's time to research and choose the right lender. Consider factors like interest rates, fees, repayment terms, and the lender's reputation. Online lenders, banks, and credit unions are all potential options. Compare offers from multiple lenders to find the best fit for your business. Don't be afraid to shop around and negotiate. After you've selected a lender, it's time to actually complete the application. Fill it out carefully and honestly. Double-check all the information to make sure it's accurate. Any discrepancies can cause delays or even a rejection. Attach all the required documents we talked about earlier. Some lenders may allow you to apply online, while others might require you to submit a paper application. After you submit your application, the lender will review it and might request additional information or documentation. Be responsive and provide whatever they need promptly. They may also want to speak with you to discuss your business and your plans for the line of credit. Finally, if your application is approved, carefully review the terms and conditions of the line of credit before you sign anything. Pay attention to the interest rate, fees, repayment schedule, and any other important details. Make sure you understand your obligations and that you're comfortable with the terms. Once you're satisfied, you can sign the agreement and start using your line of credit responsibly to grow your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.